A 58-year-old man is facing serious felony charges after allegedly assaulting staff at a Planet Fitness and trying to run over a police officer during his getaway in West Bloomfield. Police say Wesley Joe walked into the gym on Orchard Lake Road and suddenly punched the front desk manager. He then grabbed a steel workout bar, swinging it wildly and throwing it at employees before making a run for it.
47, I'm on 14 miles near 3. Go ahead that way also.
Be advised, we're being told now that he's walking out into the parking lot. He's in a gray hoodie and bluish pants.
Okay, you see if I can get into a vehicle via TikTok.
He's in a gray Lexus right now. No, stop! Open the door. Stop! Radio, he just tried to run me over. He's taking off in a Lexus out of the parking lot, south end.
South end.
Copy, south end of the parking lot, taking off. Would you like air clearance?
A-firm.
Radius requesting air clearance on channel 1. For all units at Planet Fitness. All other traffic goes to channel 29, everyone.
He just ran into my car radio.
Copy.
Radio is taking off down the roadway. Headed east on Walnut Lake, or east on Maple right now, past Purple Crest.
Copy, east on Maple.
That was fine.
Copy.
Turning south on Chandler Lane.
Copy, south on Chandler Lane.
I'm out of it.
Plate on the vehicle 1, Mary, yellow, Henry, 7-4. Still southbound right now. 26 miles an hour passing Vineyard.
26 miles an hour, passing Vineyard.
Radio 5-4.
5-4.
I'm at 14 Orchard. I'm going to take east on 14 from Orchard.
Northbound Heather Heath, passing Pine Eagle. Waiting for another unit before he stops this guy.
Copy, northbound Heather Heath. Okay.
Northbound Pine Eagle towards Maple.
Northbound Pine Eagle towards Maple.
Radio 123 is behind.
123, following 223. Be advised, this is William.
Failed in pursuit of IT.
123, take over for me, please, on calling out.
Units, be advised, this is.
You will wait. Everyone 23 south on camera, 30 miles an hour.
30 miles an hour.
He's further on camera.
Hey, we're east on camera. He did have contact with 222's car. We had him stop for a second. He's still going. Copy, east on camera.
Radio 229 on 2.
You're on 1228.
42 myself for responding.
That's up. Coming up to you guys. We're on town. Up to Tower Lane here. Box them in. Put your hands up! Open the window! Turn your vehicle off now! Turn off your vehicle! Turn them out! Turn off your car! Turn off your vehicle now! Turn them off! Turn off your vehicle! Got him? Yep. I got him at gunpoint. Break his... Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Taser, taser! Get out of the vehicle now! Get out! Taser boy! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Cut a seatbelt! Cut a seatbelt! Wesley, get out of the car now! Get out of the car!
It's unlocked.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Cut a seatbelt, bro.
You get the seatbelt?
Get out of the vehicle now!
Undo a seatbelt. Undo a seatbelt.
Undo a seatbelt, Sarge. Undo a seatbelt. I got him. Got his foot.
Yeah. We don't want to bang his head. Go around. Here. Ready? You got his clip. Do you take his arm, leg?
Take his leg. Turn over.
All right.
Turn your eyes.
Close legs out.
Pull his legs up now. Roll over on your stomach.
That's legs.
All right.
We got him out of the car, trying to get him fluffed out. Copy, have him out of the car.
Keep your hand.
Put your knee down there. There you go.
You get on track?
We should get his legs. Here,
Full sleeve, mate.
hobble.
Let me go.
No.
No, let me go.
No.
I'm innocent.
You try to run me over the park.
Full slave mode.
It's unlocked. Cover passenger side.
Got my camera.
And the glove thing. It's right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, he got my legs. And he drove past me in his parking lot.
Radio for 47. Okay.